This is the all-new GFC platform camper for the Rivian R1T. And if you're unfamiliar with how our campers work, let me give you the quick rundown. So our campers are designed to be used on a daily driven vehicle. So the back opens just like a conventional topper, and you have normal access and locking on all sides. And the sides open up on all three sides to give you access and also create cabana mode. This is cabana mode, and it helps you create a great place to hang out in the shade away from the sun and elements. And the top up here works as a fully functional roof rack with crossbars for attaching things to the roof and T-slots all the way down the sides, front, and rear for attaching accessories. Plus, this whole thing opens up. And once the top is opened up, you have a 7.5 foot long, 50-inch wide bed that you can sleep on with a super comfortable 3-inch mattress. And the bed is fully modular so that you can stand up in the bed and shift all of these cushion panels forward to create a big hangout space in the rear. And if you don't want to get up from inside the bed, you can use the ladder on the side to get in and out super easily and securely. And the whole thing closes up in seconds. I'll show you in real time to prove it. So, now to things that are specific to the Rivian or are really beneficial to the Rivian in our current design. So one of the things that we want to do with this camper is make it easy to own. Always have it on the back of your truck, never take it off. With Rivian, aerodynamics are super critical. So in order to keep range optimized, we got this camper as low as possible. So our entire tent assembly is only 6 inches thick. And these crossbars up here are optional. So when they're removed, it's even more slippery. We also sunk the shark fin up into the sleeping area in order to get it as low to the roof as possible. So we're about a 1/4 inch off the sunroof glass. And then we have tie-out mounts on the roof to make sure that it never interferes when you're off-roading. And don't worry, the GPS and the shark fin still works for the self-driving modes. Plus, this whole camper from the bed rail up only weighs 260 pounds. And customers that have been using it so far are seeing a 7 to 10% decrease in range. A few other things about the Rivian is the buttons to access the side gear tunnel as well as the tailgate are on top of the bed rail. So we made a custom button interface that can be used when the doors are open or closed with a simple push button on the side that allows that to open up. Same thing with the tailgate. Press the button and the tailgate opens. And in the interior here, you've got full red, white switchable LED lights that are also dimmable. And inside we have provisions for mounting accessories like these Freedom Coast L-tracks that are coming out soon, as well as attaching furniture systems like this goose gear. The things that are not included as standard on this camper in this specific build are these Freedom Coast tracks and this goose gear interior system, as well as the crossbars on the roof, but those are all available for sale. If you're wondering about the gear guard, we even made a special port so you can see into the bed. And we added a fairing on top to block out all wind noise. So the loudest part about this car is still the side view mirrors. The Go Fast is the lightest, strongest, highest quality camper on the market, and it's proudly made in Montana. So let us know any questions or feedback you have about this specific application of this camper in the comments below. If you want to learn more about the camper and watch a 20-minute in-depth video of all the features of this thing, we've got that linked in the description. And if you're interested in just the cap, the shell, without the tent on the roof for the Rivian R1T, we've got that linked in the description as well. Thanks for watching.